Welcome to a brand new channel on investing, brought to you by EasyEquities. My name is Graeme Codrington.
And I'm Lesedi Mfolo.
And I am a futurist. Sounds like a strange thing to be. Doesn't mean I can predict the future. I wish I
was
could.
hoping you could.
Oh man, I wish I could. But what I do is I try and anticipate big disruptive forces, big mega trends that are going to change the world. My clients are typically big corporate companies that are trying to think about how their markets might change, how the conditions in which they work might change. And I help those companies to anticipate and prepare for those changes. Lesedi, you are an investor and you are helping people to think better about investing. I'm guessing you're interested in the work that I do because you want to find which companies are going to be successful in the future.
Exactly. You know, a big part of what I do at EasyEquities is I am in the marketing team, and we love to equip people with the tools that they need to do the research and invest in the brands that they know and love even more, or even brands they don't even know and love yet. So that's one of my favorite things to do. And I mean, picking up on trends is a quick way to learn about all these other companies that you didn't know about.
There's lots of ways to invest and lots of ways to choose what you're going to invest in. Some people do what they call day trading. So you want to spot these very short-term trends. Buy a stock today, sell it on Thursday. Hopefully you make a little bit of money because some piece of news came out or some disaster happened somewhere in the world that immediately changes the stock price. Other people will look at what is going on in the company. They will investigate the management and the strategy plans. Other people will literally just look at these share prices and they say shares go up and shares go down, and I'm not even worried about what the actual company does. I'm just tracking statistics. What I'm suggesting, and what this EasyFutures channel is about, is saying there's one other way. There's no right or wrong way, but this is another way, is for you to just look at the world you live in and think about the future. What might be different in the future? What might change in the future? And can we identify that trend early and then invest in a company or an industry or a sector that might get value out of that trend? So Lesedi and I are going to get together every few weeks. We're going to chat about a trend and then give you some ideas of what you can invest in. Lesedi, from an EasyEquities perspective, how easy is it for people to just then take what they hear from us and sort of do something with it?
Well, it's very simple, especially if they have something called a FICA or FICA verified account on EasyEquities. That means they now can transact on their EasyEquities account and buy and sell shares. But if they don't have an EasyEquities account, it's a few more steps. You just have to register, and that's really simple because now we've got a system where you're automatically FICA'd if we don't need further documents from you, and you can start investing immediately. So there's the two ways. If you haven't registered, register an account before the next episode comes out. And if you are registered, just make sure that your account is FICA verified, and then you can start buying and selling the shares that we talk about on the show. Remember, this is not financial advice, so keep it real.
You can invest 5 Rand, 50 Rand, 500, 5 million. Just start investing in the future. And follow us here on EasyFutures for some ideas, for our opinions. And if you agree with us, then get into the future and make sure you're invested in it.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
So easy, so easy.